Want to protect your kids' screen time in 2025? Here's how to set up AirDroid Parental Control in just a few steps. Start by downloading AirDroid Parental Control on your phone, available on both Google Play and the App Store. Open the app, sign in, or create an AirDroid account, then choose I'm the parent. Tap Agree to continue. Now grab your child's Android, scan the QR code shown on your phone, or visit the link to download AirDroid Kids. Once downloaded, install the AirDroid Kids wizard. If prompted, allow Install Unknown Apps to continue. Open AirDroid Kids, tap Accept, then enter the binding code from your phone to pair the devices. Now fill in your child's name, age, and set an avatar if you'd like. Tap Done when finished. Follow the prompts to grant permissions like usage access, notifications, and locations. We recommend enabling all for full protection. And that's it. You can now see app usage, set screen time, and even get real-time alerts, all from your own device. Keep your kids safe, focused, and screen smart with AirDroid Parental Control. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and hit follow for more family-friendly tech tips.